Alright, hello. Welcome. I'm back playing Monkey Island Special Edition. And I have completely forgotten what I'm doing so far. If I remember correctly.
Boy, it sure is hot here.
We're going to the beach. To get a little monkey. Hold on, let's
I can't move it.
okay, we can't pull this yet. Anyway. We're going to El Bicho. Go in here. We need to give this monkey these bananas that we got in the last episode. Here we go. Alright. If you give it might follow you. Wait, we're missing one banana. Okay, yeah. Sorry guys, that was bad move there. Anyway. Oh, actually no. He's still following. No, he's not. I was wrong. Let's see here. Here we go. Crack. Now, do we have any rope? We do not. So let us move out of here. Find rope. I don't think there's anything to do here. At least I don't know. Oh, what? Okay. That was glitchy. Dry river bed. Oh, here we go. Hold on. Let's go there.
To the Monkey Island Cannibals. I don't mind you worshipping in front of the sacred monkey idol, which doubles as my home and secret base of operations. But could you please refrain from leaving messy sacrifices on my porch? Also, please do not enter the monkey head. G.P. LeChuck.
Okay.
This is an old friend of mine, the one I sailed here with. He's lost weight. Never looked better.
What happened to him?
Oh, nasty accident. He was trying to put up a swing.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Are you some kind of a castaway?
What do I look like? The caretaker? Listen to this guy. Am I some kind of castaway?
I think I better go now.
Well, don't want to talk to him.
He doesn't look good.
So, head to the volcano. Okay. It's down here. Here we go. I just had to use some hints because it is actually quite a while since I played last. Here we go, fort. It's been an actual quite a bit of time
The trail ends here.
since I
That doesn't seem to work.
oh.
It's rusty. I don't think it'll work.
Looks interesting. Okay, let's pull it.
I've got enough.
Okay, we have this. All we need. I think. Well, we don't actually, but take the rope to the crack. Okay. Sadly, if I remember correctly, we're gonna need another rope. So, need to destroy the dam. I forgot how to do that. In all honesty,
Boy, it sure is hot here.
okay, it just told me what to do. So use and
That doesn't seem to work.
wait. There I can use create a spark. Rock. Wait. Do we have a rock by any? Ah, with the cannonball. Okay, here we go.
Whoa!
Oh my god. Alright, we did that. Let's go to the pond. Now we can pick this up. Now let's go and get these rowing tangs. We're gonna need to get another banana.
That's strange. It says sea monkey.
Oh, I forgot to get the rose. I'm sorry, guys. Here we go. I doubt I'll be able to finish this game right now, but I'll try my best. Here we go. Now we can use the boat. Hopefully.
I can paddle it with these oars.
Here we go. Let's go here. For now, let's pick this.
There's a message in it.
Oh,
It's a memo. To Herman Toothrot. From Yammer, Hem, and Haw, attorneys at law. Regarding suit against Cannibal tribe over malicious tossing of your oars into a chasm. I think we have a case here. We can probably soak them for emotional distress and possibly punitive damages as well. Sounds like legalese. I don't think I can translate the rest.
oh,
Look at that fabulous ship out there. Did you come in that? You're braver than you look. Actually, it looks a lot like a ship I used to own.
Leave me alone, would you?
here we go. Let's get out of here. He is, I think, nothing special. Okay, we can't go here yet. So let's go to the beach. We need the monkey in order to do anything there. Right here is the monkey head or whatever. Ironically enough, we're gonna need a monkey. Yeah, let's go to the beach. And not gonna bother with that. Guybrush. I think the only thing we can do on this side is this stuff.
All I want are these bananas. The other fruit looks a little bit past its prime.
Okay.
Is that a banana in your pocket, or are you just glad to see us?
You've got a lot of nerve stealing from the notorious Monkey Island Cannibals.
You're cannibals?
Well, yes. Although lately, we've been trying to stay away from red meat.
Only for health reasons. We're still as vicious as ever.
Oh, especially with tourists who try to steal our stuff for souvenirs. Well, what do you have to say for yourself?
Look behind you! A three-headed monkey!
Hey, do you really think we're that stupid?
It did look.
I wouldn't push it if I were you.
Look behind you! A three-headed monkey!
Ha! We're not going to fall for that old trick again. I guess we'll eat you now. Unless, if you had some sort of offering for us, something that we could pass on to the great monkey, well...
Wait, I had another banana. Oh, I guess I...
I don't think the great monkey would like that. Obviously, you have nothing for us. We might eat you, we might let you go. We'll have to talk about it with the village nutritionist. Come, let me show you our guest hut.
Oh, how nice of you guys.
That should do it.
Okay, so we need to pick this up. Pick this up, and we're out.
And no, I'm not getting squeamish. I'd love to eat the guy.
So let's do it.
But think of your arteries.
We are cannibals, for crying out loud.
Yeah, but cannibals have to watch their saturated fats just like everyone else.
Fucking... I don't know what to think of these guys. But yeah, now we have enough bananas for the monkey. Don't know why I said it that way. Anyway, let's go to this beach. It'll be much better, honestly. We can't take the monkey on a boat. At least I think. Yeah, let's go and get this monkey and yeah. This friend, this new friend of ours.
Not until he comes down.
Here we go. Does this mean he's following us? Okay. He's following us now. Get out of the jungle. Thank you. Alright. Now, this is something that took me a while to figure out the first time I played this. Oh, god damn it. You need the monkey in this So this area right here.
The artist carved his name on it. Made by Red Skull.
I'm guessing pull.
I can't move it.
What?
It won't go that way.
Okay, so it's this one. Okay, so that's the only use.
I doubt
There's
anyone
for
will
this
listen to
guy.
joke.
That's all we need at the moment. So now we can go to the Cannibals and give them this thing. This tiki thing that they're gonna be offering to the monkey head. Also, be sure to let me know if you guys do want me to do all the games. I really do enjoy all of them. I actually haven't played the fourth one. I played all the other ones, but except the fourth one. I've never completed the. I've never completed the third one. There you go.
Ah, the banana thief returns to the scene of the crime.
Maybe we should just eat him right now.
Do you have any idea how much cholesterol is in one of these things? Now then, how did you break out of our hut, and why did you come back?
Don't eat me. I'll give you anything.
Anything? We'll give you one more chance to trade something of yours for your freedom. Well? Hey, wow, this is impressive. Lemonhead, take a look at this.
Ooh, that's nice. And it says, made by Lemonhead, just like one of mine. We should take this to the Great Monkey.
Yes, I agree. We are very grateful to you for this fine gift. If there's anything you need on Monkey Island, just come see us.
Alright, so let's go in here. Pick this thing up. And let's find the old hermit.
All I want is my banana picker back. But will they give it to me?
Here we go.
Hey, thanks. I thought I'd never see this again. Here, you can take this key to the monkey head back to the natives.
Okay. And don't worry, I won't use it or anything.
Yes, I'm very sure. Now I forgot where to find them. Oh, did not mean to do that. So, if I remember correctly, we need to go into the monkey head. Sadly, we won't be able to go through it. Well, we can go through it, but we can't really save the woman, sadly. So basically, the cannibals are gonna give us something in order for that. The monkey is still here, which is good. Probably just gonna stay here for an eternity. Oh yeah. Honestly, that's pretty disgusting. If I have to say so. But yeah. Something to help you find.
I had a
you
feeling that in
around.
hell there would be mushrooms.
Alright, now. Now we need to go to the Cannibals, if I remember correctly. Yeah, they're most likely at their house, or in their village. Yeah. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for now. So I'll see you guys in the next one.